Good morning. Welcome back to the weekly vlog. I am up later than I usually would be. It is that time of the moons and it's bad. It's bad. So I was up like half the night just like doing stuff, and hopefully this will be my last bad one. So because I'm having surgery in a few weeks to rectify a bad situation down there. But we're about to take Clover for a walk. Well, I'm just about to take him for a walk because my husband's busy with work things. So he's like waiting down there with like a ball. Oh, I don't think you can see. Yeah, see the ball? He really wants me to throw the ball, but we're going for a walk, buddy. Here, you want this? Here, I throw it. He lives for this action. Tomorrow he's having a dental cleaning, and I'm very worried because it's my baby and I want him to be all right, because they have to anesthetize them for a dental cleaning, which I'm always really scared about, but I think he'll be fine. He's healthy, he's young. He just had like a bad bout of gastroenteritis, and he just started eating his food again, and he's fine, but like I'm always like a little worried, you know? But hopefully everything will be fine. So like he's having surgery first, and then I'm having surgery, so it's a stressful couple of weeks. But I thought I'd take you guys along on the adventure today, on our journey, my work from home adventure. So I've got 2 more videos to edit for the Organized Soprano channel, and then I've got 3 videos to film for the gaming channel. I don't think I'll be able to film those all today. Actually, I don't know. I don't think that's really unrealistic, just because they're so much easier to film than the other videos, because I just have to be entertaining and play video games, which is like, hey, I can do that. But we'll see how much time I have. And plus I really want to go live and like hang out with my peeps on the gaming channel like live. So maybe I'll plan that for tomorrow. And I want to plan the organized live stream for tomorrow as well. So I don't know how much I'm going to get done, but first order of business is walkies. All right, you ready to go? All right, let's go. Hey, I'm back from my walk. Well, let me turn up the ISO a little bit. There we go, that's better. Back from my walk. We've been back for a while. Took a shower, got dressed, filmed a little intro for my other channel. Then I'm gonna film videos hopefully after my husband's done with all of his meetings. But we got our groceries. So I thought you guys would like a good old fashioned grocery haul. Pandemic grocery haul. So these are the things we just need to make our dinner and have snacks during the week. So I'll show you guys what we got. Yay, fun times. This bag looks like we've got a red onion, very exciting. Got 1 lime, 1 solitary yellow onion, 1 head of garlic, and a big old bag of lemons. Because I'm gonna make some hummus this week, so here's my bag of lemons that I need for, you know, cocktails, and lemon juice. Big old thing of cranberry juice. A big old thing of lime juice. We have 1 lonely sweet potato. Bell peppers, some yellow bell peppers. Got some green bell peppers. We have some milk. We're making some like creamy pasta. I think that's the reason we bought some milk. I don't know what to do with the rest of this milk. I guess I will like bake something with this, or like make some sauce. I don't know, but we got milk. You know, because I don't really drink, you know, cow's milk anymore. We got yogurt all the time. We always have yogurt. And we have lots of cheese. We have medium cheddar and sharp cheddar. We've got so many jalapeno peppers. Look at the bag, you guys. There's 6. But you know what? We will 100% eat all of these this week. We have an addiction to jalapeno peppers and all of their wonders. Got some baby spinach. This looks like cilantro. Yeah, cilantro. We're growing our own cilantro plant on the porch, but we've been picking it so much that I've got to wait till it grows back to get some more. Oh, we got more. We have red bell pepper. So we have yellow bell peppers, red, and now we have green. Well, no, we had green, yellow. Now we have red. Oh my gosh. Looks like my husband's watermelon game here. deli meat. Okay, I didn't know. I mean, my husband did the shopping, so he looks like he bought some turkey breast. That's nice. Okay, so all of that packaging for some popsicles or whatever these are. So got some haddock fillets, upside down, and salmon fillets. So these will last us a while. We eat a lot of fish. Oh, potato chips. Looks like, tomatoes, avocados, and now we have a mess. So I guess I will clean up this nonsense. Look at my mess, and I'll catch up with you in a little bit. Hey guys, it's the next day. So last night we had our first hang with the neighbors. We had neighbors just moved in next door in our building, and they are so nice. And we have been hanging out with them on the roof deck, socially distancing, of course, with masks. And last night was our first time hanging just on our porches, because their porch is like, 20 feet away over there, and our porch is right here. So we had like drinks and dinner on the porch together, but like distancing porch hang. It was really fun. And we are worried today because Clover's at the dentist having his teeth cleaned, and they have to put dogs to sleep to give them a teeth cleaning, because they can't say like, just open your mouth. So I'm worried about him. And the vet said he's got 2 fractured canines, so they may have to be extracted, which I'm really worried about, but I guess it is what it is. So if she'll call before she does anything, but hopefully they won't have to be extracted, or they can be fixed. I don't know. So just chilling. I just got done talking on live stream with you guys, which I've missed for a couple of weeks, and I'm gonna have another cup of coffee and maybe some breakfast. But yeah, so I had an interview this morning at like 8 o'clock in the morning, which is interesting. So hopefully that article will get published next week or something. So we'll see what happens. I am excited. Cool. But I haven't really cleaned up my house yet. Like, I woke up this morning super early, and now like the bed is still not made. This is really unusual for me. And this is like a little bit of a disaster over here. Mostly it's looking neat, but not where I want it to be. So I'm gonna make myself some coffee, sit down, maybe see what's going on in my Animal Crossing town, because I haven't done that today, and it's already like 11 o'clock. Can't believe it. And then I'll check in with you guys later when I get a call about Clover. Where is he? How is he? I miss him so much. When he's not here, it's really weird, because I expect him to be like, down here or something, but he's not. He's at the hospital. All right, I'll see you guys later. Okay, he's home, and he's feeling very tired. They had to extract 2 little teeths. Not the canines though, those are still in, but he has 2 little teeths missing, and he's very tired. He hasn't really had any dinner yet. We're supposed to give some medicine with dinner, but I'm gonna wait till he feels a little better and perks up a little bit. But he is feeling generally bummed out. Look at how sad. Anesthesia is really rough on dogs, so he is now looking at me a little bit dazed. You'll be okay, just get some rest, buddy. I'm just glad you're home. It's been really sad without you here all day. Yeah, just get some rest. You get some rest. Yeah, he came in and he like jumped right up here and was like, I'm napping here. And the sad thing is, we had to take all of his toys away because the doctor said he can't play with toys for 10 days because of his sutures. So I don't know how we're gonna get through this, but we're gonna get through this. Right, buddy? Okay. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. Hey guys, I've been really bad about vlogging. I don't know, where am I looking? Am I looking in the camera? I'm looking at an iPhone, so I don't know. I feel like that the lens is over here. This is where I'm gonna look. Just deal with it, okay? I'm at the vet, and Clover just got 2 teeth removed last week. So, and he hasn't been allowed to play with toys for the last like 7 days, and she just looked at him. She said it was good for him to go back to playing with toys, playing with balls. So I'm very excited for him to go home and get his toys. So I'm gonna Yeah, I'm so excited. He's been really not fun to deal with without his toys, because he loves toys. He loves to like play with toys. You guys know he's like this guy. He's the toy aficionado, and he is like, he was almost impossible to deal with without toys and balls. Like, he needed to like play fetch in the park. No, that was not a thing he was gonna do. So he's been bored. So I'm very happy to report he's getting back on the toys. So I have a bunch of work to do when I get home, unfortunately. It's like noon. So I think the day is shot, but you know, whatever. Hopefully I can get it all done today and have a fun day tomorrow. So let's go home. You like it? Yeah? Does it make you happy? You want me to throw it? Here, we'll play. Yeah, brand new toy. Brand new toy, who? Croissant, who? Oh my goodness. Got it? All right, go get it. Wow. How you doing? So I figured I would end the vlog with a little cook with me segment. If you know mind, let me take these out because I was listening to some live stream. But well, I'm gonna flash the day on the screen. So I am feeling very nervous because I have my surgery in a few days, and I have my COVID test tomorrow. So hopefully that'll be negative and I can have the surgery. You know, I'm in the middle of filming like a clean with me, but I do have to make dinner. So tonight my husband has requested the mini glazed meatloaves with mashed potatoes and roasted carrots, which actually sounds pretty tasty. Let me see if I'm gonna have to use the oven. Yeah, I'm gonna have to preheat the oven to 425, so we'll do that right now. Oh my gosh, the washing machine is so loud. I'm so sorry if you can hear it. But let me show you what we're having. Look at that. That looks kind of yummy, right? Oh, why did I put these on the cutting board before I washed them? That wasn't very smart. But I just wanted to say thank you very much for all of your well wishes for my surgery that's upcoming. I am super nervous about it, but I think it'll be fine. I'm supposed to use this antibacterial wash on my person until the surgery. I don't even know where to get it. They were telling me, the nurse was telling me this on the phone, and I was like, I didn't think to ask, are you gonna give it to me when I have my blood work, or is that something I'm gonna have to buy? So I don't know. So, but after this vlog is posted, I will have gone through all that, so it won't matter. But so I'm supposed to do all that, and I'm just batch filming, and it's insane. I'm super tired right now. I've never been so tired in my entire life. I slept almost all of the morning. Well, not really. I took a nap that was maybe 2 hours at noon, but I've just been grinding. I've been making content for now, not just this channel, but the other channel. So it's getting a little bit crazy, but it's fine. It's fine because I love playing video games, so that's not super hard to do. I just wanted to chat with you guys before the vlog was over. I think that I'm gonna continue cooking, and I'll show you what the meal looks like at the end of the video. But I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.